Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders, your go-to source for insights on everything happening in the world of digital assets. I'm Sophia, and today we're diving deep into one of the most well-established cryptocurrencies in the game, Litecoin. Often dubbed the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin has been around since 2011, offering faster transaction speeds and lower fees compared to BTC. But as we move further into 2025, what does the future hold for Litecoin? Will it continue to ride the wave of crypto adoption, or will it struggle to maintain relevance in an increasingly competitive market? In this episode, we'll analyze the key factors influencing Litecoin's price, recent market trends, and where LTC could be heading for the rest of 2025 and beyond. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or just a crypto enthusiast, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Let's get started. The current state of Litecoin in 2025. As of early 2025, Litecoin has remained resilient despite market volatility. Following Bitcoin's fourth halving event in April 2024, the entire crypto market saw renewed interest, and Litecoin benefited from this momentum. Even though Litecoin's own halving took place in 2023, reducing block rewards from 12.5 to 6.25 LTC, it continues to hold strong as a top 20 cryptocurrency by market cap. Its low transaction fees and fast processing times have kept it relevant, particularly for payments and remittances. So, what will drive Litecoin's price action for the rest of 2025 and beyond? Let's break it down. Key factors influencing Litecoin's price. 1. Bitcoin's influence on the crypto market. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you know that where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market follows, including Litecoin. Historically, Litecoin's price movements have mirrored Bitcoin's trends. In bull markets, altcoins like Litecoin tend to see exponential gains as traders look for alternatives to Bitcoin. But in bear markets, LTC can suffer just as much. So, if Bitcoin enters a strong uptrend, breaking past key resistance levels, Litecoin could easily follow and push towards new highs. However, if Bitcoin struggles due to macroeconomic factors or regulatory hurdles, LTC might remain range-bound or even decline. 2. Adoption and real-world use cases. One of Litecoin's strongest selling points is its adoption as a payment method. Over the years, it has partnered with major payment processors, including BitPay and PayPal, making LTC more accessible for everyday transactions. If more merchants, businesses, and institutions integrate Litecoin into their payment systems, demand for LTC could increase, supporting price growth. Additionally, Litecoin's speed and affordability make it a strong candidate for cross-border payments, giving it an edge over traditional banking systems. 3. Regulatory developments. Like every other cryptocurrency, Litecoin is subject to regulatory scrutiny. A major catalyst for price growth could be the approval of a Litecoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, similar to the spot Bitcoin ETFs that gained traction in early 2024. On the flip side, regulatory crackdowns, especially in the US and Europe, could create temporary headwinds for LTC. Governments imposing stricter policies, increased taxation, or outright bans on crypto payments could impact its adoption rate and investor confidence. For now, the regulatory landscape remains a wild card, but any positive moves toward mainstream acceptance could send Litecoin higher. 4. Litecoin network upgrades and technological advancements. Litecoin has continued to improve its blockchain with enhancements like the Mimblewimble privacy feature, which was introduced to improve fungibility and confidentiality. Additionally, scaling solutions like the Lightning Network could help Litecoin process transactions even faster and cheaper, making it more attractive for real-world payments. If developers roll out significant updates that enhance security, privacy, and scalability, it could strengthen Litecoin's position in the crypto space and positively impact its price. 5. Global economic conditions, market sentiment. Broader macroeconomic trends play a huge role in crypto markets. Rising inflation, central bank policies, and economic instability often push investors toward alternative assets like cryptocurrencies. If traditional markets remain uncertain, investors may increasingly turn to Litecoin as a store of value or hedge against inflation. On the other hand, if traditional finance stabilizes, speculative investments like crypto could see reduced demand in the short term. Litecoin price predictions for the rest of 2025. Now that we've covered the key factors influencing LTC's trajectory, let's explore three possible scenarios for Litecoin's price by the end of 2025. Bullish case, $200 to $400 by Q4 2025. Bitcoin leads another crypto market rally, pulling Litecoin along with it. More businesses adopt LTC for payments. Institutional investors start showing interest, possibly through ETFs. Upgrades to Litecoin's network enhance speed, security, and scalability. If all these factors align, Litecoin could potentially test its previous all-time high of around $410 and even break beyond it. Neutral case, $120 to $200 by Q4 2025. Bitcoin remains stable but doesn't enter a parabolic uptrend. Litecoin sees moderate adoption but no groundbreaking developments. Regulators take a balanced approach, allowing growth without excessive restrictions. In this scenario, Litecoin maintains a steady but unspectacular rise, remaining in the $120 to $200 range as it consolidates for future price surges. Bearish case, $70 to $120 by Q4 2025. Crypto markets enter a prolonged correction. Regulatory crackdowns hinder Litecoin's adoption. Network activity slows due to competition from newer, more advanced blockchains. If bearish conditions persist, Litecoin may struggle to gain momentum and remain below the $120 level. However, long-term investors could view any dips as a buying opportunity. Beyond 2025, what's next for Litecoin? Looking further ahead, Litecoin's price trajectory will depend on mainstream financial integration, increased adoption as a payment network, more institutional interest through ETFs and investment funds, continued technological development to keep pace with evolving blockchain innovations. If Litecoin remains relevant and continues evolving, price predictions for 2030 range from a conservative $250 to an optimistic $1,000, depending on how adoption plays out. How to trade Litecoin with minimal costs. For traders looking to capitalize on Litecoin's price movements without holding the asset long term, trading Litecoin CFDs, contracts for difference, is a flexible way to profit from both rising and falling prices. CrystalBallMarkets.com offers Litecoin CFD trading with some of the lowest spreads in the industry, allowing traders to execute positions efficiently with advanced risk management tools. If you want to start trading Litecoin with leverage and minimal costs, check out CrystalBallMarkets.com today. Final thoughts. Litecoin has stood the test of time in the crypto space, proving itself as a fast, reliable, and widely accepted digital asset. While price movements may be uncertain in the short term, long-term investors and traders alike should keep a close eye on Litecoin's adoption, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. As always, do your own research and trade wisely. That's all for today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth crypto insights, and I'll catch you next time. Happy trading!